Now sit in Vajrasana. Now in Vajrasana we'll go with Mandukasana. So people who have very severe knee pain, don't sit in Vajrasana. You can sit in Sukhasana, or you can stretch your legs and sit in Dandasana. Now others can just roll on the shoulders back and down. Now take the thumb in. Now curl all the 4 fingers around the thumb. Make a fist. Put this fist onto your lower tummy. Now raise your head, neck and chest up. Inhale. Now very slowly, gently. Keep pulling yourself forward and upwards. Keep pulling yourself forward and upwards. Stretch your spine completely. Now bring your spine parallel to the mat. You can either keep looking up if you have neck pain, but don't raise your hips up. Now again, if you don't have neck pain, you can rest your forehead on the ground. Now very slowly, gently take your head, neck and chest up. Inhaling. Straighten your spine. Now this is very, very important to strengthen the abdominal muscles. This increases a lot of blood circulation to the liver, stomach, intestines, spleen, pancreas. So very good for diabetes. Very good to increase the digestion, absorption, assimilation, excretion. Now we'll do this one more time. Don't raise your hips up. Your hips should be on your legs. So again, making a fist, putting it onto your lower tummy. Raise your head, neck and chest up. Inhale. Exhaling. Slowly, gently bend forward. Keep pulling yourself forward and upwards. Now keep looking up. If you have neck pain, don't bend your head, neck down. Now others can slowly, gently bend down. Rest your forehead on the mat. And don't raise your hips up. Don't raise your hips up. Keep pressing them down. Now let the mind absorb all the compression in your good massage effect to your abdomen. Feel all the stretch in your spine. Now inhaling, slowly, gently raise your head, neck and chest up. Raise up, straighten your spine or release your hands. Now whenever you are bending forward, there is good amount of blood circulation to the brain. So this reduces your stress, anxiety. And this also increases the height when you are pulling your spine forwards and upwards. Now from here we'll go with the Malasana. So Malasana, sit as if you are sitting in the Indian toilet. So see that you keep both the legs apart. Now push your thighs away. Now join your palms together in between your arms, in front of your chest. Lift your spine up. Look straight. This is called as Malasana. Excellent for the constipation. Regularizes your bowel movement. Strengthens the knee joints, thigh muscles. Very good again for the calcaneal pain, heel pain. Very good. Now slowly, gently release your arms, release your legs. Now sit on the mat. Now from here again we'll sit in Dandasana. From Dandasana again we'll fold both the legs. Bring your soles of the foot together, close to each other. Heels close to pelvis. Now lift your spine up. Hold all the toes with your hands. Interlock your fingers. Hold it tightly. Now raise your right hip up. Raise your left hip up. See that all the points of your hips are touching the mat. Now give good butterfly action to your thighs. Take it up and down. Up and down. Take normal breathing. This is called as Bhadrasana, Baddha Konasana, Titaliasana or butterfly pose or the cobbler's pose. Excellent. Excellent for the digestive system and for the reproductive system also. Now your leg again tends to come forward, but please keep pulling it backwards. Heels close to your pelvis. Very good. Now from here again we'll stretch both the legs sideways. Upavishta Konasana. Pull them as far as possible. Stretch. Now from here, stretch your both the hands sideways. Now take it up. Pull your body completely up. Lift completely up. Stretch. Don't strain your neck. Your neck should be able to move left, straight and to the center. Now from here, turn your waistline to the left side. Come back to the center. Again on the right side. Again come back to the center. Now slowly take your hand sideways. Now keep your left hand beside. Now again slowly, gently take your right hand over and above the right ear. Now pull it towards your left side. Feel all the stretch in your waistline. Keep pressing your legs down. Now slowly come back to the center. Now again on the right side, keep taking your right hand away, left hand over and above the left ear. Feel all the stretch in your waistline. Now this side, bendings and the twistings are very good for the neck pain, back pain and sciatica. Now slowly, gently come back to the center, relax. Now from here we'll do the side twistings. Each side 10 times. So twist your body completely to the left side. Hold your left big toe with the right hand. Look at the wall at the back. Come back to center. Again hold your right big toe with the left hand. Look at the wall at the back. Feel all that good twisting and massage to your abdomen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now relax. Bring your spine to the center. Roll on your shoulders back and down. Now from here we'll go with the next one. Janu Shirsasana. So fold your right leg, bring it close to the inner side of the left thigh. Your right heel close to pelvis. Now turn your waistline to the left side, raise your both the hands up. Inhale, look up to the ceiling. Now exhaling, slowly, gently bend forward. Hold your left leg with your both the hands. Keep pulling yourself forwards and upwards. Now take your hips slightly back so that you create a space in your hip joint. Now target that your chest and your abdomen should be close to the left thigh. Now see that you touch your chin, nose and forehead close to the left knee. This is Janu. Janu means knee, Shirsa is head. Now give good spring action to your spine. Take your spine up and up. Now from here we'll take this one to the next level. So for this, slowly, gently bend your head, neck, chest forward to the right side. Now slowly rotate your waistline to the center. Again slowly, gently take it to the right side again. Only your waistline. Now slowly again bring your forehead, your nose and your chin on the right knee. Now from here also you can still rotate to the right side how much you can. Make a full 180 degrees angle from your waistline with your spine. Now again slowly, gently take it to your left side, waistline to the left knee. Again, bring your spine forward. Don't raise your hips up. Now again rotate. Bend forward. Again slowly go to the left. Now touch it to the left knee. Now inhaling, slowly, gently raise your head, neck and chest up. Turn your waistline to the center. Take both the hands sideways and down. Now people who have severe knee pain, severe back pain, please don't do this. Okay, you can continue with twistings. Now others, just stretch this right leg, come back to Pavishta Konasana again. Now from here we'll fold the left leg. We'll touch the sole of the left leg close to the inner side of the right thigh and the left heel close to pelvis. Now turn your waistline completely to the right side. Raise both the hands up. Inhale, Lift, look up at the ceiling. Now exhaling, slowly, gently bend yourself forward. Now again take your hips back. Create a space in your both the hips. Pull yourself forwards and upwards. Keep stretching. Now again give good spring action to your spine. Take it up and down. Always target your chest and your tummy close to the right thigh. Keep lifting it up and down. Now target again your forehead, nose and your chin close to the right knee. Now from here again we'll bring the forehead close to the left side. Slowly rotate your hips. Now bring your head down. Bend yourself forward, stretching forward. Now again rotate, take it to the left. Touch your left knee. Again still go to the left side. Rotate your spine. Now slowly, gently come back. Again to the left knee. Slowly again to the left side. Slowly center. Now again slowly to the right. Right. And again to the right. Inhaling, slowly, gently raise your head, neck and chest up. Turn your waistline to the center. Take both the hands sideways and bring them down. Relax. Now whenever you are bending forward, again this is very good to relax your spine. Now from this again stretch both the legs. Upavishta Konasana. Now from here we'll hold the left big toe with the left hand, right big toe with the right hand. Inhale, raise your head, neck and chest up. Exhaling, pull yourself forwards and upwards. Now keep bringing your chest and your tummy close to the ground, mat. Now rest your chin, your nose, your forehead on the ground. So stay here. Now if you are not able to do, give good spring action to your spine. Take it up and down. Now slowly, gently inhale, raise your head, neck and chest up, straighten your spine. So whenever you are rotating and whenever you are bending forward, it has a very good massage effect to all the abdominal organs. So there is good amount of blood circulation to all the abdominal organs. So your digestion, absorption, assimilation, excretion will improve. And it will also increase your height for teenagers, for young people. Now, from here we'll bring both the legs together, come back to Dandasana. Now, because we did lot of forward bend, so we have to do the twistings. So, for this we'll go with Vakrasana. So, fold the right leg. Fold the right leg, keep it beside the inner side of the left thigh. Now, take your right hand up, pull it upwards. Now, take it behind your spine and lift your spine up. Put your palm behind your spine. Now again pull your left hand up, take it over and above the right leg. Now hold your right ankle joint with the left hand. Now turn your head, neck, chest to the right side. Right shoulder out. Look at the wall at the back. Now feel all the stretch in your neck, your chest, your spine. Neither bend forward or backwards, but only the twisting. Now slowly, gently release your left hand, right leg, relax. Now the complementary posture, fold the left leg, keep it beside the inner side of the right thigh. Now lift your left hand up, keep it behind your spine, lift your spine up. Lift your right hand up, take it over and above the left leg. Now hold your left ankle joint with the right hand. Now inhaling, turn your head, neck, chest to the left side. Keep your spine straight. Now turn. Head, neck, chest, shoulder also to the left side. Feel all the stretching and twisting in your waistline.